The cabin air filter in your 2021-2024 Nissan Armada is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. It traps dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants before they enter the cabin through the HVAC system. Regularly replacing this filter, ideally every 15,000 miles or 12 months, ensures clean air circulation, reduces allergens, prevents mold buildup, and can even improve your HVAC system's efficiency. Neglecting it can lead to poor air quality and potentially costly repairs. Newer 2024 models come with HEPA-grade filters that provide better air quality. Fully open the glove box and depress the stops on both sides to lower it completely, exposing the filter housing cover. Remove the filter housing cover, which is typically secured by clips or screws. Take out the old filter and vacuum any debris from the housing. Insert the new filter, paying attention to the airflow direction arrows printed on it. Reassemble the housing cover and glove box. The entire process should take about 10 to 15 minutes and usually requires no tools, although a screwdriver might be needed if the clips are stubborn. You can purchase replacement filters from Nissan dealers or auto parts stores. Look for part numbers like 27277-3TA0A. Be aware that some aftermarket filters may have slight fit issues.